Hey guys, Jordan here. Before we dive into this video, I just want to say that you can sign up for the complete course, The Ultimate Photographer Formula, free of charge. It is an email course, so you'll get one video a day over the duration of 65 days as you progress through the course. And you can sign up for that free of charge by clicking the link in the description. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, in this video we're going to go over 5 reasons why you should offer aerial services. Over the past several years, aerial photography has become a highly requested product for many of our customers' listings. In this video we're going to go over 5 reasons why you should consider offering aerial services. Reason number 1, capture unique views. Real estate agents these days know the importance of marketing their properties online, and therefore some properties really show well from the sky. Whether an agent wants to showcase how big a lot is, amenities around the property, the size of the backyard, the views of the property, or other features that may not necessarily be visible from ground level photography. Knowing the surrounding areas of a property often helps a potential buyer better understand what the property has to offer. Reason number 2, it doesn't take much time. Typically, you're already at a property shooting professional photos, so taking a few aerial photos while you're there usually only adds about 10 to 15 minutes. And if you're charging around $100 for those additional photos, they can really be a great return on your time. Reason number 3, increase the production quality of your real estate videos. Some properties really show well from the sky, so having some aerial clips in addition to walkthrough video footage can really make your videos more engaging. Reason number 4, adds revenue to your business. One of the biggest reasons you should offer aerial services is that it gives you the opportunity to earn more money per job. For example, we charge an extra $100 for 5 aerial photos, which only takes us an extra 10 to 15 minutes at the property and another 10 minutes to edit. So while you're already at the property, you can essentially increase your revenue, make a good amount of money while being able to deliver those aerial services to your customers. Reason number 5, be a one-stop shop for your customers. With aerial services becoming ever increasingly popular, it's more and more important as a real estate photographer to offer aerial services. It's a lot more convenient for your customers to be able to hire a single photography company to do both aerial and professional photography services than hiring 2 separate companies. If you don't offer aerial services, you will likely lose customers to a competitor that does. Alright guys, well that's 5 reasons why you should offer aerial services. Hopefully these reasons helped you understand the importance of offering aerial services to your real estate clients. That's it for this video. Reach out if you have any questions. We'll see you guys on the next one.